Hey foodies! Welcome back to the Cooking Chronicles, your cozy corner on the internet for delicious recipes, smart cooking tips, and healthy twists on classic favorites. Today's recipe is something incredibly special. It's warm, comforting, low-carb, and packed with flavor. We're making spaghetti squash with juicy turkey meatballs, a lighter version of your favorite spaghetti and meatballs. But trust me, you won't miss the pasta one bit. Perfect for meal prep, family dinners, or impressing your guests. Let's jump right into it. Here's what you'll need to whip up this delicious dish. 1 medium spaghetti squash, 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 egg, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 2 garlic cloves, minced, half a teaspoon dried oregano, half a teaspoon red chili flakes, optional for heat, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup of marinara sauce, fresh parsley for garnish, and a drizzle of olive oil. Simple, clean ingredients, full of flavor and easy on the waistline. Let's start with the spaghetti squash. Carefully cut it in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds. Brush the inside with olive oil and sprinkle a little salt. Place it cut side down on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 35 to 40 minutes until tender. Once it's done, use a fork to gently scrape out the inside. You'll get beautiful spaghetti-like strands. And just like that, you have your low-carb pasta base. Now for the protein-packed stars of this dish, the turkey meatballs. In a large bowl, combine ground turkey, egg, breadcrumbs, garlic, oregano, chili flakes, salt, and pepper. Mix well until everything is evenly incorporated. Form into small meatballs, about 1 to 1.5 inches in size. You can either bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 20 minutes, or pan-sear them with a touch of olive oil until golden brown and cooked through. Let's bring it all together. In a skillet, heat your favorite marinara sauce and gently add the cooked meatballs. Let them simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes so they soak in all that delicious flavor. To serve, place a generous amount of spaghetti squash on your plate, top it with the meatballs and sauce, and finish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. You can even add a little grated Parmesan if you're not dairy-free. And there you have it, a wholesome, comforting, and flavor-packed dish that your whole family will love. Spaghetti squash with turkey meatballs. It's low-carb, high-protein, and absolutely satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, give a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to hit subscribe to join us here at the Cooking Chronicles, where every dish tells a delicious story. Until next time, happy cooking. Click the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. We post fresh content every week.